Welcome to today's Excel Essential. Combining text in spreadsheet is an important skill to learn. In this video, I will walk you through 3 powerful ways to join text in Excel. These techniques will boost your productivity and make your sheets smarter. Let's dive in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is an exemplary employees data in which I have the first name, last name, department and the location. The first method that I will explain is the text join. So for example, if I want to join the first name, department and location with the help of any delimiter, I can use the text join function. For this purpose, here in this E2 cell, I will write equal and type text join. Here in the syntax, you can see that the first thing that I need to provide is the delimiter. A delimiter is a symbol or a space that I want to use to separate different components of my joined text. For example, if I want to separate it with the help of a comma and a space, then I will write it in inverted commas. After this, I will provide comma. And the next I need to provide the Excel that if I want to ignore the empty cells or not. So for example, if I want to ignore the empty cell, then I will choose this true from this argument. Next, I will choose all the text that I want to combine. So for example, I want to combine the first name, so I will select this cell. Then I will press and hold the control key and select the department name and the location and close this bracket and hit enter. So the text is joined with the help of text join function. To apply this to all data, I will move my cursor to the bottom right corner of this cell and then double click it, and it will apply to all the data. So you can see that how much time I can save using this text join function instead of manually typing it. The second method is the use of flash fill option. Now flash fill is a very handy tool in Microsoft Excel that you can use, and this method actually recognizes the pattern that we use in the first cell and then apply it to rest of the data. So here in the first cell, I need to provide the pattern by myself and then I will apply to other data. So I will write Amina Shah @estore.com. Now when I move to the next cell, I will press the shortcut Ctrl E, and that's what the magic that Excel do. It applied the same pattern to rest of the data. The third method is the use of ampersand sign. Now this method can be used to generate some sort of welcome card for the employees. So for this purpose, here in this cell, I will write equal, in inverted commas, I will write welcome comma space, and then I will put ampersand sign, select the first name of the employee, again I will put ampersand sign, and in inverted commas, I will write space from. Again, I will write ampersand sign and then select the department name and hit enter. So we have generated the combined text for the first employee. To apply it to all, you know the method. I need to go to the bottom right corner of the cell and just double click it, and it will be applied to all the data in seconds. And there you have it. 3 simple but powerful ways to combine text like a pro in Excel. If this video helped clear up some spreadsheet stress, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. If you got a favorite method or a question, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy excelling.